It's a great RIP.
It
and
is.
I was, well, a print ecosystem.
Yes.
I hear Simon already, oh my God, he's right out of the gate.
Entire
He can't get it right.
ecosystem. We're
I
not
train him for
just
years
a
and he
RIP.
gets it wrong.
Yeah.
Right. And then I was going to write, I have all my tablet with all my little notes. And I get this, you know, it says 10 compelling reasons to try PrintFactory. And I look at them like, hey, those
Indeed.
are my notes.
Basically, yeah, it's already there for you.
Yeah, they're all there. It
Lead
starts
Deborah.
with better quality output.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about better quality output.
So we have our calibrator tools,
All right.
our application that stands alone. You build your profiles. It's easy. We make it so simple.
100% agreed.
You are getting the best color, but also at least 15% ink savings.
Okay.
You do the math on that. A lot of people find that ink savings pays for the software itself in a couple of months.
Yeah, I have been in multiple installations of PrintFactory and have seen the ink savings demonstrated.
Yeah.
Where the print that Simon built was much better than the default print that they were using with their hometown RIP even, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the ink savings was like another 24%.
Yeah.
So completely gray balance, look fantastic, not using any more ink than is necessary. Ink savings justifies it all by itself.
Yeah, and it's tangible. You can do the math on it, right? You see exactly
Right.
that information, and then you can print off on your whole fleet, right? If you have
Right.
identical printers, we can get those prints to match. Identical, like
They
this
do.
wall.
I know,
I don't know if
it's
you
true.
can see it. Yeah.
Yeah, we
everything's-
did it on multiple die subs and flatbeds and I think a roll to roll, and boom, they're all
Yep.
locked in.
Yeah, you
And
can-
if they, in their hometown RIP, if they did it, nothing matched.
No.
Nothing.
You
And
get-
they were very cast.
You do like before and after. You get like a yellow cast here, a green cast
Yeah.
there. Some
Yeah,
of
that's
the,
a green
quality's
cast printer,
off.
that's the magenta cast printer,
Yep.
and that's a yellow cast
Yep.
printer.
Do
So
PrintFactory.
the other thing I loved about it, and I still think it's just genius, is how easy you made the process
Yes.
of creating gray balance neutrality across platforms. I'm going to go through the animal kingdom, and I'm going to train animals to be able to use your color process because it's so easy. You can do it without understanding anything you're doing, and it will give you excellent results because you guys have color scientists that have looked at all of these prints and done the math for decades, and they said, there's a pattern here. And we can establish this pattern and we can reference it and we can effectively create an algorithm for it, and it automatically achieves the goal that you're looking for, which is that printer needs to match that printer, needs to match a totally different printer using, say, dye sublimation ink, which matches a UV printer, which matches a solvent printer, which matches a latex printer. It can be done quickly, like half a day.
I mean, you can do as many profiles simultaneously too. At the same, like you can set up all your printers, get all your prints, your test prints going, and measure. Just roll a cart around, get all of your measurements going, easily in an afternoon. A dozen.
Okay. Faster RIP speed.
Exactly.
Faster RIP speed. Is
Yeah.
there something?
Exactly.
Is there something? So it's
I
quick.
mean, it speaks for itself. I could tell you about it. It is faster. You have to see it in action. But,
Okay.
we do all of the pre-press. Everything's processed to the RIP, goes straight to your printer.
All right. You have some pretty sophisticated, one of the things I loved about it is you have some pretty sophisticated features that are all included, no matter what package you have.
Yeah, we want to make it simple.
Like with
right?
everyone else, it's like, okay, you don't get that, but you get this. Or you
Yeah.
get this, but you don't get that. And then I'm like, yeah, but you have to add on this. It's all included.
No nickel and dime, no add-ons.
Like
it's all
it's
included.
$100 all you can eat.
Yep. All the profiling, calibration tools included, editing, true shape nesting. It's all in there.
Everything. Like all the features, and you've got a ton of them. Because
do.
you have a, Simon calls it an ecosystem.
It is.
So it has all of these components that, for example, true shape nesting for a lot of companies is a separate function.
It's
all built
integrated.
in.
Yep. It's integrated into our layout tool.
All your ink calculation and for how much ink usage and everything, all built in.
Yeah. It's all built in.
All right. What is the editor app?
The editor app is our editing tool. It's a
Right.
pre-press tool. Can fully edit all of your images, multi-layer. You can bring things in, add white generation, have a flood behind it, create cut contours. It also integrates with other design software, so if you do any further editing, you can open up, say, in Adobe Photoshop and bring it back in.
Right.
Yeah.
So is the idea that people could almost give you files, and you can do all of the pre-flight, pre-press,
can.
control, and not have to really use Illustrator or
Yeah.
Photoshop?
You don't have to have that, and you don't need seat licenses either. So anybody can download all of the applications, unlimited.
Okay, so it's just, there's no separate licensing or
Nope.
anything, it's just
It's all
all
included. It's geared towards what you need for printing, right?
Okay.
It's all the tools you need.
All right, so number 5, the most powerful automation capabilities. Tell me about your automation. This is great. These
Yeah.
are like my notes.
It's
note for
great,
note.
yeah. So our automation, we have workflow automation. You can set that up, path, integrates with MIS, ERP systems, web to print, really seamless. In, out, you basically get the order and it goes out the printer once you get it set up.
Can you track everything along the workflow as
You
it goes through?
You can. So we have our cloud-based dashboard. So you log in, we have options for reporting, and you can see ink usage, you can see where your prints are, what printers are doing, job statuses.
Another thing I found with PrintFactory is I mean, I'll call Simon. Hey, because people ask me, does it support this new DTF printer? Oh yeah,
Yes.
yeah. 2 weeks
Yeah.
ago we put it all online.
Yeah.
Like you guys have this huge list of stuff you
do.
support.
Yes.
I mean, every conceivable printer, every conceivable cutter, every conceivable anything. Like you're in on it. You have I know that the Nick stuff is already in there. Like I don't even have to ask. I know
Working
it's
on
there.
it. Yeah. Yeah.
I
it's
just
there.
got a new Nick, so I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah, I know it's in PrintFactory.
It's good.
That's
Yeah.
kind of cool. So it's one of those things. I'm an open architecture guy, right?
Mhm.
And the thing I don't like is any RIP that doesn't allow me to use any device I want is sort of a problem for me.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I'm standing here and I'm looking at the Barbieri booth. I'm like, okay, I want to be able to plug it into any Barbieri they have, and I know it's going to work.
Yes.
And I can go Printing United. I can go around and look at any cutter and anything. Go, that'll work. That'll work. I don't even bother asking anymore because I know that Simon already took care of it.
It's device agnostic. So you have it, we can run it.